Welcome to my channel. Today we will be removing Mini Countryman R60 engine mount. First step is to loosen the top 3 screws using 13mm socket, but before you do that, you need to support the engine using support beam or jack under the engine at engine jacking point. This screw secures both the engine mount and the chassis mount together. Next step is to loosen the chassis mount using 13mm. Loosening engine mount screws before completely removing them allows for a controlled and easier removal of the engine mount, preventing damage to the mount itself or surrounding components. Next step is to loosen the chassis mount using 16mm socket. Symptoms of a failing engine mount include excessive engine vibration, loud or clunking noises, engine movement or misalignment, and a rougher ride. Now start to remove all the screws and bolts. I will fast forward this step as I have already showed you all the locations of the fasteners. You have successfully removed your engine mount. Thank you for watching. If you did like the video, please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.